So for Monday's outfit, I wore these pants overalls that I thrifted. I wore my Air Force Ones with this outfit and this little crop top from Brandy Melville. I wear these necklaces a lot in this video. Some of them are just laying around my house. Some of them I made, and then the one with the teeth on it I got from Depop. So I'm just taking this belt from Brandy. This is how I wore it. I just wanted to show what I did. I took this belt and then this flannel thing from Molly Green, and that's how I wore this outfit today. So it's just a little spin on the classic overalls, you know? Something like this has really been my go-to recently. It's just so easy. These jeans I think are from Target, and they have bleach stains all over them. And then this big t-shirt I just thrifted, and I just like throwing it on. You can tuck it in, but I don't like tucking in my shirts now. I mean, I tuck in some shirts, but I just like the way it looks. It's kind of like loose and grungy. The belt is from Forever 21, I think, and my shoes are black Converse. This is Wednesday's outfit. Both my skirt and my shirt are from Brandy Melville. It's just a little tank top, and I'm wearing this sweater I thrifted. I've had this sweater for such a long time. It's just like a grandma sweater. And I'm wearing my Doc Martens with this outfit and all my little necklaces, including my baby one that I made. So, yeah. The lighting's really bad in this one because I filmed it at night, but I'm just wearing these shorts overalls that I thrifted along with this plain red t-shirt that I also thrifted. Oh my gosh, I'm a thrifting queen. I'm so quirky and fun. And I'm wearing some high white socks that are rolled up and some white Keds. This outfit, I'm wearing this shirt that says Hotter Than Hell. It's from Brandy Melville, and I just tied it in a little knot. These jeans I thrifted. They're just vintage Levi's. No, I got them off Depop. Same thing. This belt's from Brandy Melville, and I have all my necklaces on, and I am wearing my black Converse again. I also wore this flannel. It's also from Brandy from a while ago. It's really soft, and I just brought it because some of my classes are cold. And I wore it and then wore it around my waist. So, yeah. I've been wearing this outfit so much recently. It's just this eagle shirt I thrifted. I love this shirt. And then these jeans I got off Depop. They're just high-rise blee jeans that are brown. I've never had a brown pair of jeans, and I just love them. I wear them so much. I'm wearing this bucket hat from American Eagle and my white Converse. And I'm also wearing these little earrings that I got from Molly Green. They're really cool. Yeah. This last outfit, I actually got everything the day before. I just bought all this stuff at Urban Outfitters. So these are just some high-waisted jeans from Urban Outfitters, and the shirt is from Urban Outfitters. They were both in the sale section. I also have a cotton ball stuck to my butt, and I didn't realize that until right now, actually. So, yeah, the belt's from Forever 21. I'm wearing my black Converse. This video was also filmed post-mental breakdown. That's why I look like I've been crying, because I have. Yeah, that's all my outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you next week. Bye!